Welcome to this quick tutorial where we will walk you through your subscription details. First, let's go to the subscription page. Here you can view the invoices which we send to you monthly. At the top of the screen, you'll also find our terms and conditions for reference. Now, let's go over the key fields. Worker count, the number of active workers registered in the system. Inactive worker count, employees added to the system but not currently using the app. Subscription type, defines your billing type. Start date, start of the 30-day period. End date, the date the invoice was issued. Payment deadline, an additional 15-day grace period. Under Actions, you can choose from 2 payment methods. Pay with Stripe, a quick and convenient option with all our billing details pre-filled. Proforma Invoice, an official invoice containing our billing information, which you can use to pay via bank transfer or another preferred method. Keep in mind that this invoice is for informational purposes only. You can download or print the invoice on these options. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any feedback or suggestions.